In this short video tutorial, we will see how to write a C program to take two numbers from the user, add them, and then print the final result on the console window. So let's start writing a program. We'll first include the stdio.h header file, which contains functions like printf and scanf, which we will be using in our program. So we'll create a main function, and inside the body of the main function, we will create three variables, a, b, and sum. So the variable a will hold the first integer value, the variable b will hold the second integer value, and the variable sum will hold the sum of a and b. So we will ask the user to enter the first number. So we'll printf enter the first number, and in the next line we will scan that number and save it in the variable a. Next we will print another message for the user, enter the second number, and then we will read that number and store it in the second variable, which is the b variable. After this we will say sum equal to a plus b, and finally we will print the final output, the sum of percentage d and percentage d is percentage d, and we will pass three arguments, a comma b comma sum. So what we are doing in this last line is we are trying to format the string that we want to print on the screen. So let's say if the user enters value 5 as the first number and value 10 as the second number, so we want to print a string which will say that the sum of 5 and 10 is 15. So 5 will the number 5 will be read from the variable a, number 10 will be read from the variable b, and the final sum will be read from the sum variable. So we have already covered both printf and scanf in detail in the previous videos, so I won't go into the detail of how printf and scanf are working here. So let's just run this program and see how it behaves. So enter the first number. So the first number is 5, and I will press enter. Now enter the second number. Let's say the second number is 10. Now when I will press enter from the keyboard, I'll see the final output. The sum of 5 and 10 is 15. So this final output has been formatted by this printf statement, which is replacing the value of first percentage d with a, second percentage d with b, and the third percentage d with the sum. So this is how you can ask the user to enter multiple values from the keyboard, read them, store them in the variables, and then use that value to write some logic in your program. So with this, we'll end this short tutorial here. To access our complete C programming course, please visit openeschool.com/learnc. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we post.